Good morning. It's a nice sunny day here, and today we're gonna actually try a new trail that we haven't been before. This one's a bit of a short one today, which is fine. I was doing some research on the many trails here in Southern California, or at least within my neighborhood, and I found this little park called the Wildwood Park here around the Burbank area, and we're gonna try to check out the mini trail here. This is a 2-mile loop, I believe, which is cool, and I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. So the pathway is a bit on the narrow side here, so do be mindful when you're walking, but also, you know, there's no guard, so just be mindful overall. Left. To kind of like the picnic area up here towards the top. It's pretty nice. First time doing this trail, and did pretty well. Time to head down. I've actually noticed along this trail they have some of the plants cornered off, which is great. That means they're preserving as much of the, foliage here so that it continues to grow through the years to come. So that's great. There's lots of lizards out this morning. I don't know if you can tell, there's a couple of deer up there. Always have to be careful. There they go. Just saw a couple of deer. Aw. Could have been a mama and a kid. So, yay. Now at the top where we saw the picnic area there's actually a second way down that kind of completes the loop, but we're going back the way down we came up. There was a park ranger there blocking off that way, so it actually leads to a road for trucks and other vehicles, which is fine. I like taking the scenic route down. Now there isn't much shade here, so definitely recommend to come early in the morning, or towards the evening-ish, when the sun's not too hot and bright, especially in the summers. You could definitely come when it's cloudy. But yeah, that's just how the trail is here from what I can tell. Alright friends, we made it down the loop, a little over 2 miles, which is pretty nice. I definitely want to come back and head further up towards the other half of the mountains, which is, I believe, another 3 miles up. So we're going to check that out when we come back. But for now, we're going to end it here. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a good and relaxing time. If you like this hike and all our previous hikes, and especially all the adventures we're going to have coming up, particularly the Camino, so stay tuned for that. Do like, subscribe, and come back, because we have plenty more to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.